Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries. It's been raining heavily today at Pergola Nurseries, but Peter is in fantastic voice today and really singing for spring. And he's building at the moment. He's building some nests at the moment. We won't tell anybody where they are, Peter. He's building two actually. The gorgeous plant. This is a grass-like plant from New Zealand called Astelia Red Shadow. And Astelia Red Shadow has got foliage that's silver and deeply purple. It grows around 40-50 centimetres high, remains evergreen, looks fantastic for 12 months of the year. They're great in pots and containers or out in open ground. And this is the time of year to plant the Astelia Red Shadow. Decent sized planting, a little bit of super thrive at the bottom, compost and soil on top, and the same bank in around. And this gorgeous ornamentalist grass Astelia will be in your garden for years and years to come. It's a fantastic plant and the colour is wonderful. Anything goes well with that. Blue, gold, purple, looks fantastic with Astelia. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.